Alright guys, so I just got back from work and a special package arrived from Monster Fairing. This video wouldn't be possible without Monster Fairing, so thank you for them for sending me a full kit for the cbr600. So shout out again for Monster Fairing for making this video possible. And then I couldn't wait, so I opened it, but here is the fairings. I got carbon, yellow carbon. So the whole middle piece will be carbon. That's the tank, that's the back piece, and then here's the front. Looks so aggressive. And I also got different lights for him, so that won't be sticking out. But I think today I'll just take all the fairings off of this, and then tomorrow morning I'll be installing new fairings on it. Again, thank you for Monster Fairing for this video, making this video possible. Alright guys, I just finished taking this middle piece out. It took me like 20 minutes, but finally got it. But here's how the bike looks now, naked. Probably wait till tomorrow morning to install these. I'll get back to you guys, and for you guys it'll be like 2 seconds, for me it'll be like 10 hours, but see you guys later. Alright guys, I started putting the front end. It took me like probably like an hour to put on, because I had to take it off from, I had to take off the headlights from there, but it looks good. I'm putting the side fenders on right now, and I'm also waiting for an exhaust. It should be here soon, hopefully. But on this side I haven't done this side yet, but it's looking pretty good. Alright guys, she is all done. 3 days later, well basically 2 days later, I finished it. I still haven't put this piece on. Just got too tired, but I have it right there, so I'll just put it on later. And then it's like yellow carbon. I need to wipe it down, but looks so much better now with the Red Bull. I also have this piece on, but I think I need to modify it so it'll fit there, but that's carbon too. And then that piece down there's carbon too, but yep, this is the bike now. Oh, I also got an exhaust, so stay tuned for that. I'll post a video on that later on. But yep, this is how the bike looks now. Rip. But anyways, thanks to Monster Fairing again, Monster Fairings again, for making this video possible. It looks so much better now. So they also have a discount going on. It's like 10 or 15% off for Memorial Day, so go check it out. They'll hook you guys up. But thank you again for Monster Fairing for making this beast come alive. But yeah, thank you guys. See you guys later.